In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get cheap data from MTN. I'm going to be sharing two sweet smart codes you're going to use to get this cheap data. Please, if this video interests you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment on it and share this video so that it will get to a whole lot of people who do not know about this particular update. All right, so now, without much being said, let's dive in. So these codes are for MTN users only. All right, so the first code they're going to be dialing is *121#. So we have four different options here. You're going to pick number one, which is top deal, for me. Dial number one, and here you're going to be getting 30 gigabytes for 7,500 naira. Isn't this lovely, guys? This is very, very good. Okay, if you want to go with this offer, you can just choose number one and then you get into it immediately. The second code for this is *406*3#. *406*3#. So these are for the night browsers. Okay, if you love if you have a lot of work to do in the night, you want to, yes, that is you normally do your work in the night, you normally browse at night, this is very good for you. You're going to be getting 500 MB for 50 naira, and then the maximum MB you're going to be getting is 2 gig. So if you want to get 1 gig, you're getting it for 100 naira. Okay, and you're going to be browsing in the night alone from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to share with you a bonus code, right? Because you're my favorite family, so I'm going to share a bonus code. I'm adding a bonus code to these cheap codes. Okay, you just dial *121#. *121#. Then you're going to be choosing number 4. Choose number 1, day offer. So this offer is for a day, valid for 1 day. You're going to be getting 4 gigabytes for 1,000 naira, and then 1,005 for 8 gigabytes just for 1 day. Isn't this lovely? So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. And if you find this video interesting, drop it at the comment section. Leave your comment at the comment section, and then like this video, share this video. Okay, so if this video was helpful to you, please drop it at the comment section. And if you tried the code and it worked for you, still drop it at the comment section. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.